We can do some limited amount of calculus, both differentiation and integration in fx991ES plus also. First we will do differentiation. Here I have taken two examples, 2x square which is non-trigonometric equation, and the next one is a trigonometric equation sin x. Now we want to find the value of this particular equation after differentiating at certain value of x. So d by dx of f of x, which we will denote it as f dash of x, is 4x. Calculator will not give you this result. What is the value of 4x at some particular value of x? X is minus 2, x is plus 2, x is 0.4, x is pi. It will give you like that. Similarly, can do it for sin x. Whenever we are doing integration and differentiation, it is better to keep the calculator always in the radian mode. Of course, you have to keep the calculator in radian mode for trigonometric equations, wherever we have sin x, sin inverse, cos hyperbola and all those. Even if it is non-trigonometric equation and like 2x square and all those, we have to it is better keep it in the radian mode. How do you go to radian mode? Press shift mode and select radian. Option number is 4. First we will do differentiation. We have taken two example, 2x square. So I have to write this 2x square and this value which is minus 2. For the next one we have to write this function f of x. Here it is sin x and the value of x is 0. So whether it is non-trigonometric also, better to keep it in the radian mode. So we use shift d by dx. Okay, shift d by dx. Now feed the equation to x square. How do you feed x? Alpha x square, you can use this square. Then use this arrow, you will come here and press minus 2 and equal to, it is equal to minus 8. So 4 into minus 2 is minus 8. Next, again shift integration this one. So type the equation sin alpha x is how? Alpha x. See here the parenthesis is not balanced. So you use one more parenthesis, closing parenthesis. Now it is balanced. If without giving that parenthesis, if you directly press equal to, you get syntax error. Use this right arrow. What is x? X is equal to 0 now. If you want, you can use pi by 2. So for that, shift pi by 2. That is also okay. So minus cos pi by 2 is 0. This is how you can find the value of a certain equation at particular point after differentiation. We can also find the value of definite integrals for both trigonometric and non-trigonometric equations, provided only it is a definite integral. So as I said, for both differentiation and integration, better to keep it in radian mode, even if it is non-trigonometric. For non-trigonometric functions, whether you keep it in radian or degree, the answer will be same and it is correct in both. But for trigonometric, only the answer that you get in radian mode is correct and not in the degree mode. So for integration, it is a simple function x square between minus 4 to 2. So press this. First you write the function. So here whether your question is in x, y, theta, calculator is designed to take the variable of integration and differentiation as only x. So first we will type sin x. Oh sorry, now it is x square. So alpha x square. Then use this arrow to come back to the limits. So it is a matter of time that you will get a hang of it. What you press, where it will go. Type 2, then down arrow minus 4. Then you need not go here again. You can directly press equal to, or you can just keep using this arrows. So the answer is 24. We have got that. Similarly, we can also do for the trigonometric equations. So now again, trigonometric, first you have to write the function in terms of x. Here the question is in theta, but calculator will take it only in terms of x. So it is sin 2x, 2 alpha x, then close the parenthesis. Okay, then use this arrow to come back. Now it is pi by 2. So how can you do pi by 2? Here you can press this one, so it becomes pi by 2, or press it back. So shift pi by 2, then down arrow 0. You can do like that also. One more important we can learn from this is how to use this insert function that you see here. Suppose use this and come to the function. In this calculator it is pretty simple, going back and deleting is pretty simple. But suppose you want to insert something, okay, and if you don't use this insert button, whatever you have already written will get erased. So you can do shift insert and then come back here. Like that you can use the insert button, so it will not delete whatever was there. So if you had not used the insert button, this divide would have been eliminated. Then press equal to, we are supposed to get +1. Sometimes integration usually takes time. Again, if you want sine x square, so sine alpha x, so you can type square here also, use this arrow to come back. And so again it is shift pi. Don't type it as pi is 180 degree, we know. Don't type it as 180. You will not get the answer. Suppose you keep this in degree mode instead of r, if it is d, and pi, if you type it as 180, you will not get the answer that you're supposed to get. You'll still get the wrong answer. If you keep it in degree and type pi radian is equal to 180 degree, you'll still get the wrong answer. If you want a full value, you can use 1.57 is the answer, which is the correct answer.